Considerations for hiring a broker for a dental practice sale or transition. Hello, I am attorney Boyd Shepard. I am a lawyer in Houston, Texas. I provide legal services, representation, and counsel for Texas dentists and hygienists. Welcome. Thank you for watching the LegalDental.com YouTube channel. Please remember to click the red subscribe button just below, and please also click the notification bell to receive notifications when new LegalDental.com videos are uploaded. To learn how you can earn 1 free hour of state board-approved continuing education credit in the area of risk management from watching this video, please go to LegalDental.com or click the link in the description below. Considerations for hiring a broker for a dental practice sale or transition. If you are selling or buying a dental practice, some of the initial questions that you have to answer include whether or not you want a dental practice broker involved. What value does a dental practice broker add? And also, is it worth it to have a dental practice broker as part of your business team? Getting a dental broker involved does have value if you're a seller and you have no potential buyer in mind, because it can save a great deal of time. If you don't have an associate in your practice who's ready to go as a buyer who already practices within your practice, then brokers have access to doctors who are interested in buying a dental practice. However, if you are the seller and you already do have another dentist in mind who is your potential buyer, or if you are an associate of a practice where you've been affiliated for some time and you are now looking to become the practice owner, in either situation, having a broker involved has no value. Getting a dental practice broker involved will entail you signing a contract with that broker. In most cases, the broker's contract will include a provision entitling the broker to a commission even if you close on the sale of your practice, but to a buyer that they did not locate. Here is an example of this type of common provision in a typical dental practice broker's contract. Let's say the dental practice broker is not bringing any buyers, and now you just want to terminate the agreement. These broker agreements have a provision stating that even for a period of time after terminating the agreement, if you sell your practice within that time, the broker is still entitled to the commission. So if you sign on with a broker, this is a paragraph you really want to look for, consider the consequences of, and negotiate the terms for. Another reason to consider not involving a dental practice broker is the percentage they charge as their commission on the sale. Let's say you sell your practice for $1 million. Well, 10%, which is the average broker fee, is going to be $100,000. What services is the broker providing to justify that percentage level? Bottom line, knowing their own practice, sellers can assess the value of the practice using their own financial advisors without the need for a dental practice broker. If a seller or buyer wants to have a practice appraised, make sure that you have it in writing that the broker will not be on board for the commission, but rather providing an appraisal only. I hope that you found this video to be helpful and educational. If you have any questions about this content, please comment below or feel free to contact me, Attorney Boyd Shepard, direct by email. And please check out the LegalDental.com website for more information, online courses, resources, and guides for legal and business issues that arise in dental practice. If you need assistance with any legal matter pertaining to the practice of dentistry and your dental license, there are 4 ways that I can assist you. First, subscribe to the LegalDental.com Law Library to gain access to numerous online courses, resources, and guides for legal and business issues that arise in dental practice. Second, subscribe to the LegalDental.com YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to make sure you are notified of all future videos that I produce. Third, click the link below for the More Details page and learn how you can gain access to my free course, How to Make Your Dental Records complaint proof, and fourth. Go to legaldental.com to schedule an appointment for a consultation with me, Attorney Boyd Shepard. Use the promo code LegalDental to reduce the cost of your consultation by 50%. And don't forget to learn how you can earn 1 free hour of state board approved continuing education credit in the area of risk management from watching this video. Click the link in the description below. Thank you again for watching.